Let me show you how to level up your video from this to this using CapCut. When I started content creation, one of my major issues was having dull videos. I went to YouTube and I learned some skills. I even learned how to color code, and I'm going to be sharing it with you today. So let's get started. Let's open our CapCut. Now, after opening our CapCut, let's click on New Project. After you click on New Project, select the videos that you'll be using. For this, I'm going to be using 2 videos. These are different videos with different backgrounds. So this is me in the bathroom, and this is me in a corner of my room. First things first, we need to go down and click on Adjust. After clicking on Adjust, you see Auto Adjust, Color Match, Color Correction, Brightness. Now we're going to be starting from brightness. Now you're going to tap on brightness, that brightness icon. When you tap on it, you drag it to +11. Then you go to contrast, you drag it to +5. Then you go to saturation and you drag it to +5. Then you go to brilliance and you drag it to +15. You see the way I'm doing it. Then you go to sharpness and you drag it to 45. We need our pictures to be crisp. After sharpening, you go to clarity and put it in +4. You don't need to work on HSL. You go to highlight -10. Then you go to your shadow. I wanted to say eyeshadow. I take it to -14, and that is it. If you see temperature there, you can change your temperature to -10 if you want. Now let's see how it was looking like before, so that we'll compare and contrast. Can you see this? Let's go and check the other video. Maybe that one did not change. We don't want to take chances. Can you see this? There's this color coding alarm, and I've been using it. You can actually export your video like this and you are good to go. You don't have issues. But I always like to add little twists to mine. I like going to the graph. You know that color coding graph? Just click on that graph, click on the blue, and just change it to anything you like. Just drag it. When you drag it, you see the effect on the video. If that's what you want, just leave it there. Most times I like to use 179 to 30, but you can use anything you want just to suit your videos and how you want your videos to be like. Can you see that? Oh my god, you should pay me. You need to pay me money for this, honestly. Now let me show you. You know you can't be doing this for each of your videos. If you do one video like this, you go and carry brightness +5 plus this plus that. So I'm going to show you how to save this same filter. This is your adjustment that you have done now, how to save it on your CapCut. Almost so there, you are too much. Now you go on your adjustment, click on that adjustment. This is like your videos that you have done now. Like this is what you just did. So you go to presets. When you click on preset, you see that plus save as preset. Click on that plus save as preset. It's going to save your preset for you, and you will not have to worry about you going back to do +11 +5 +20. Now let's try it. Now I'm going to delete this one I just did. You see our video is back to base. Now you click on that filter under. You see that filter button icon, click on it. Now it has taken you to filter. That's not where we are going to. Click on that preset that is there. When you click on that preset, you see that preset that is there, preset 12. It will be the last on your list. Click on it. When you click on that preset, you see magic. You people should come and pay me money. So guys, that's how to change your video from basic to luxury. All right guys, take care. I'm talking too much already. Bye.